Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
We have 3 normals,
Green sheep Conyers.
1 pineapple, that would be this one, isn't she pretty? She's getting her red on her, and 1 cinnamon. And all of these guys are a mess because they like to play in their food right now. They're just now learning how they're going to fly and feathering out good. They all hatched about
around the first week of November.
So they're doing good.
About 6 weeks old.
They like to throw food all over each other, which is the norm. Wash your face. Wash. Wash. There you go. And they're cute little babies. They're friendly. So, there you go.